And after set and then go buy sweet, buy small thing, put for him mind, take buy am, make him no speak. And this boy no really speak because that relationship between him and the parents, he no dey strong, he no dey there. Why are you a mother if you are such? Why do you give birth at the first place? Hello blessed people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on the first time they see this face, my name is Lizzie Dobde. Yes, for my return subscriber, thank you so much for coming around again. And if you are today they see my face before you comment for this channel, don't forget to make a decision to stay by us. Yes, today Tori wear skirts. I pray make I not cry as I want to talk this story, and I pray you will not shed tears too, but just take the sense. I come from mothers, so they we mothers. I beg, time don't reach when we will take sharp our eyes, especially we when it dey obodo yibo. We not too much get assistance who they help us they look our children. We dey get stress for that area, only with our husband, with ourselves. Sometimes husband not even there, but we be single mother. It dey more tougher, we know. But even as that, it is very bad for you to drop your children for anyhow person or any corner because you won't do what you want to do, you won't walk. So they made this video because what I see, I just say I don't want to keep on to myself. Now, what many people don't they hear before, but because it never happened to them, they know they take them serious. If person when they close to you, not die, no one knows say death they exist. If they talk. So I come across this video where young man, the boy don't grow past about 20 years, you know, maybe 25 years. This boy they talk of waiting he go through when he's small. So waiting really happen. He get one man when he dey friendly to children, he dey come carry am, they play with her. He dey buy am small things. For mother, we need to know what our children need. Because if your children they lack too much, it take by God's grace not to fall for anything. I dey tell you, because anything where they see, they stretch neck if they lack too much. And even though you get the money or not, try the little one you feel do, maybe what they like. If you get the money, not just go buy toy when they expensive. Say if people see for your children hand, they go they heavy, they say yes. But your children if you not get the value. If you give an underlay balloon, when you go they run, they throw up, they run around with, you go prefer and pass what you spend dollars they buy. You understand what I mean? So take your time to know what your children they like. Not be by buying expensive things. As far as they never man get that maturity. Small things may not even cost anything that they like. And if you know they give them, other person feel from here cash them. You know children, they're not too much they need of material things. But person they get time for them, then be their friend. They feel like another person. Pass will be mommy and father. Because that person they play with them, they laugh with them, just get their time. Before I forget, I just say me I felt drop down. So this man, he did jovial, he did friendly to children. The man no get wife. If they come carry this boy, go they play with, buy things for this boy, carry and go playground, play with him, go in house, do this, do that. And not be only this boy. He gets so many children when this man they play with like that. But you know what happened? Nobody knows say this man get evil mission. What he make her they go close well to children. You know what this man do? He begin to temper. He begin to touch. I no one make me sure on what they happen. I believe say you are wise enough to understand what I mean. Till he finally find a way through. This pikin not tell his mother. He not tell papa, he not tell anybody. Now so they do all those children one after the other. This particular boy, when he just narrate the story, he not tell the parents. What can happen? After years, the man die. Now when the man can't die, now the boy can't talk of what happened. And This time the boy don't grow into man more than 20 years now. Now he come to talk say see wetin happen. The time when this man they play with her, they carry and do this one, do this one, do this one. And of course, okay, make them go investigate. So the housekeeper of the man, now they can't go call, make them they investigate and say, this time when they walk follow this man, which type of man, which kind of man this man be. What now the housekeeper come to tell and say, when he enter this house, the man tell and say, anything when they go around the house, anything they happen for the house apart from her own job, it not be her business. He said the man they pay her well. Because of that one, anything when he come they say he not fit talk. He said as he just sign contract, enter that house, they work, full-time work for there. After some time they see things, he can realize say now bad person hand now for see work. But he don't know as he want to resign, say no one work again because and if she just for no reason just stay home, he don't know whether this man will come after her. So he just decide to lie low, he can't work. Now this nanny come to tell say if he go maintain the man bedroom, he they see underwear of these children. He they see underwear of the man. They see these funny things. You know what I mean around. So you come the wonder say how the way how this pikin a grown-up man go sleep together with small pikin for house, and in the morning they see things around like be like saying two adults, husband and wife, now sleep, but she not fit talk, do anything. So I don't feel they talk of the things when this young man they talk, we saying what thing go through, or the other things when this housekeeper narrate. But what make me make this video? It then normal sometimes for people to allow devil to manipulate them, for them to just do evil. But it not then normal for Monda not to create genuine relationship. That relationship when go make your child come to you, tell you anything when he finds strange. That one not then normal. The other day, before this lockdown, he get one babysitter. I know the boy, I even know the little boy Monda. The way they deal with the boy. Push his head, shout for him, come, do this one. As a mother, not fit bear him. I can't jog or run, go there. Close auntie, no first auntie, waiting happen now, take her easy. He said, she just cut me off like, not be my business. I don't get what I want to do. And this boy, when it evolves, somehow like a son to me. I can't the boy for inside my mind because me, as a mother, if my children provoke me, sometimes I feel spank them sometimes. But as a mother, I know where for hit my baby. But if another person won't hit because you not born, if you just hit them for anywhere, that won't be the different. So discipline picking when you not get, when you not born, it they okay. But if you are not a mother, you don't know the right place to hit children, which is very bad. So I just leave these people like that. After 2 days, I can't run into the mother. Where your son? He say he dey fine. He tell you what happened day 4 yesterday. Just after 2 days. He say no. That what of the sitter? The woman they take care of her. He tell you something. He say I say really. He say no. He say why? Anything happen? Like I say, see what happen. The woman he put hand for head. He dey cry. He dey shout. He said people they tell and say the way this boy character take dey change, the boy will come cool. The boy feel sleep when sleep not dey hungry. The boy feel do this one, do this one. He said but the way this nanny take this babysitter take dey relate to the boy. People they talk am before in they feel say maybe they correct her or discipline her. But coming from me, you know say this one serious. I know they charge. Then I say no. I don't say may you go make trouble with that woman. I don't say may you stop her from working for you. Create a relationship with your child so that anything when it happen, you go feel come around, open up to you. Because for children, you get some kind of things when you go they happen, you know they normal, they never seen them before. They need to talk to somebody. And the problem when many mothers get, any small thing, because won't ask you something, you will say, you small rat, you never read to understand this one. Let me tell you something. If your child demand to know something and you fail to tell him or her, no problem, but be right assured, he go learn that thing from another person, and before he go learn, he go fall victim, and that person will teach her in a bad way. We mother, we need to create relationship between us and children, so that be everything to your children. If you want to be like their mate, follow the creed for grant, fine. Anytime you deny your children for anything when they want to know, after some time, they used to say, even though I ask mommy, ask daddy, you don't go tell me. They will want to keep secrets. No. Like my children, they tell them, if anything happen, you hide that for me. You don't sin against God. Even if the something I go vex, tell me, is it not better mommy get annoyed than God? You offend God. You go say, mommy, it's better you will make you angry than to make God angry. I said, because I always tell mommy the truth. I will tell my children, me, I feel just smack you for just hit your bum because you make me angry. I say, if you lie or keep secret from mommy, God will do something worse than that. To you might end up in hellfire. Because my children, it is better for me to get angry than God will get angry. Listen to this boy. If I tell you the age when this whole madness starts in the life of this boy, you will be more shocked. It is very bad. You should be mother, you not get relationship with your children. You don't fail. The other day they read Bible with my children. I can't come across where Bible speak about divorce. You know children, especially my own. I know what explainer, because this will not be children something. But my children say, mommy, what is the meaning of divorce? I read them. But as I read them, I just won't walk past. I just go further. Mommy, hold on. They won't understand that place. What do you expect me to do? Then they say, no worry. When you grow up, you will understand better. No. As they don't ask, I explain. And after that one, I can't make them understand the things when you go avoid for life as they grow to come, in order not to end up with a man that you will not be okay with tomorrow. I explain totally. Never say they're too small to understand. Tell them. When I explain to them that topic, I tell them as they grow to come, look at the things. The fear of God, let them be in you. And this young boy, when they talk of soul, now it told me one day. Why? Because now man it starts from childhood. Now man it starts. You know what it mean? For a young boy, a whole grown up man, just gradually they enter. You feel imagine what that boy go through. You feel imagine what that boy go through. And after certain day, go buy sweet, buy small thing, put for him mind, take buy him, make him no speak. And this boy not really speak because that relationship between him and the parents, he not they strong, he not they there. Why are you a mother if you are such? Why do you give birth at the first place? To be mother, not be able to carry belly for 9 months, give birth and just no. After you don't give birth, now there the work for start. Now there new contract for start. See, let me just leave this video like this. The points I try to make on this video, I hope you get it. Thank you so much. See, I come your way again. Stay blessed and be good. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.